Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're all loaded, ready to go again. This is where we stayed last night, the landmark village resort, about an hour from Siddhartha. Really nice, relaxing, had a great sleep, some really nice food. But anyway, I'm going to get on the road. Today there's a couple of border crossings. There's one not far from here, but there's one at Siddhartha, which is the quickest way. That's where I was heading yesterday. It's the quickest way to New Delhi, so let's head that way, and I'll speak to you on the road, guys. Oh, and I haven't even had a cup of coffee this morning. I could have had one here, but I'm so excited to get to the border and have an Indian chai. Crap, I'm at the border. I'm at Nepali immigration, and he said, "You've already got a visa?" I said, yeah, I'm going to India. He said, "Oh no, Indian immigration is closed." I said, "What?" And he said, yeah, so the closest border is 9 hours back. Oh my god, man. And I'm pretty sure that's one of the borders I tried to cross when I was coming to Nepal. So I may have to go all the way back to Raxaul. Oh well, guys, that's part of the adventure, I guess. Well, I was so impressed with this bridge yesterday, I didn't think I'd be riding back over it a day later. Oh well. Well, we're back in Tiger country, same as yesterday, waiting for two more bikes. We've got two here. We need two bikes, a vehicle to go up front and a vehicle at the back. But yeah, we're just waiting for two more bikes to arrive so we can head off. There's a tiger actively hunting in the area at the moment. That's why they're so strict here. Well guys, I didn't film anything yesterday because it was just a big 10-hour ride, because I knew this hotel was really nice, the Siddhartha Lumbini resort. So I figured I'd push myself through and stay here last night. Now guys, as you know, I never know what I'm doing. I never have any plans. I never know what's happening the next day. And usually it's exciting, but times like this, it pisses me off. Because last night, after 4 months of having my Indian visa in my passport, you can't cross land borders with an e-visa. So when I flew from Dhaka to Kolkata, and they stamped my passport, I just assumed that that wasn't an e-visa anymore. Excuse me, because the e-visa was a piece of paper I had in my bag. But last night I thought, I'd better have a look. So after 4 months of having that visa in my passport, I had a look at it last night, and in big letters, e-visa. So the border's about an hour that way. Now I have to go 11 hours that way back to Kathmandu. Oh guys, I piss myself off sometimes, really. This is the airport. I was going to go in and see how much a flight to Kathmandu return would cost. Find somewhere safe to leave the bike, but too much drama. The army doesn't want me going in there with all my bags. Too much hassle. I'll just ride the next 9 hours. Well, you'd think the closer we got to the capital city, the better the roads would get. Look where I am though, guys. Just unbelievable. Coming back into the mountains, so I've got some shit riding ahead of me, I know that. The next 8 hours of this. But I will say though, except for that section west of Kolkata, that really scary hill, and that was scary, guys. Everywhere there's been roadwork, so if you come to Nepal in a year or two, it's going to be beautiful roads everywhere. Which, is that a good thing? I don't know. I've had some pretty much fun on these roads. Oh, some of the worst roads so far. I've done about maybe 4 hours this morning. 4.5 actually, I think, Google Maps. Oh yes, 4.5. Gone a lot further than I thought. Hello. Yes, so I just stopped here. I got a freezing cold water, which is great. It's I'm gonna try and do about another 3 hours. We'll see how I go, but I want to try to have a nice easy run into Kathmandu tomorrow. Guys, look at this. Just incredible. This is my room for tonight. It was still sunny when I pulled up like 10 minutes ago, so that was good timing. Even when I first came to my room, when he came to show me the room, all this was clear. But look where I am. Got my own little balcony. I'm only here for tonight. I'll go into Kathmandu tomorrow. I'm maybe 2 hours out of Kathmandu. Amazing, guys. I'm going to go and have a soda water. He's already said they've got soda water in the bar, so I'm looking forward to that. I don't know if you can see it, guys, but this little thing here, the GoPro doesn't do it any good. That's people whitewater rafting. Yeehaw. I can hear them cheering from here. I don't know if you guys can. Morning, guys. Bit of rain on the lens, that's better. This is where I stayed, the Hills and Horizons Resort. You saw that room and the view. The food was equal to it. The people, I really enjoyed staying here. And it's a terrible day today, but we're only 85 kilometers out of Kathmandu, so I'm going to keep on going. So that's how you find these guys. It's I'll put a link in the description, but they're about 85 kilometers towards Pokhara from Kathmandu. And this guy's even giving Libby a bit of a polish. I didn't ask, he's just standing there doing it. So such a nice hotel, guys. But anyway, I'm going to get some time on the road. It's only 85 k's, but it'll probably take me at least 2 hours in this weather. It would have taken me an hour yesterday. That was just beautiful days riding. But what a day, guys. I haven't filmed anything because it's just been immigration and the Indian embassy. I've got an extra 21 days I can stay in Nepal, but it takes 2 weeks to get an overland visa. I have to cancel my e-visa. My e-visa is multiple entry until February, where an overland visa will be 3 months, 1 entry, and I've got to go to Pakistan still, so I have to pay for this visa again. Excuse me, guys. But even the guy at the embassy said the same as I thought, that because my visa is now stamped into my passport, there's a very good chance that they'll let me through, especially considering that I'll be going to the same border crossing that I came into Nepal. So tomorrow, it's a 5-hour drive, 5-hour ride to Raxaul. So tomorrow, I'm going to take the risk. I'm going to head there with the wrong visa, see if I get lucky. Well, I just walked past the barber's and realised I'm looking pretty scruffy, so let's get cleaned up. Feel like a new man again. A head massage, I could have gone to sleep. And we're packed, ready to leave the Grandview Hotel. If you check out the Kathmandu videos, I talk about this hotel a lot. Really nice, really happy people. Look, they're all standing around waiting to say goodbye to me. Amazing. Anyway, today we're heading to the border, to Raxaul, where I crossed into Nepal, and hopefully they'll let me pass with this visa. The visa rate. And away we go, guys. India, here we come. I love this country, guys. Just beautiful. Oh, guys, I remembered this road as being pretty bad, but I thought after all the shitty roads I've done in Nepal, this would be nothing, but this really is a terrible, terrible road. It was a good baptism into Nepal when I first got here, that's for sure. Be Came around here pretty quick. Got to be careful in the Himalayas, guys. I came through here about 3 weeks ago. I did that side. This bridge was shut, so I'm one of the first people to use this bridge. And if you remember the first impressions of Nepal video, I stopped here for a Mountain Dew. Got another one now. I need something cold, guys, and that's all I've got. And Mountain Dew seems to be the least offensive of the sugary drinks. And there's a Mad Dog sticker over there. We're on the Nepali side of the border. Well, I'm now stamped out of Nepal. The guy here seems to think I won't have a problem getting in this visa. But either way, guys, I'll either be speaking to you from India or from Nepal. And India it is, guys. That's such good news. I'm just going to go back to my hotel that I was at last time I was in this town, and I'll speak to you later. Not even 50 metres from the border. Back in India, guys. How you beat the traffic is you go on the walk bridge. And everyone pointed me to go this way, so here we go. 5 minutes back in the country. We're going the other way. The train's here, but because everyone going that way has taken up the whole road, no one going this way can go. India. See what's happened here? This whole road is covered with people going that way, and they're just screwing it for everyone else. Because this happened both sides of the track, we won't move for 10 minutes. Where if everyone had just stayed on their side of the road, we'd all be where we're going by now. The me attitude is the finest. Now this happens in all the third world, but I've never seen anything like it. It's like India. Just come out to get some food. This place has got a real Bangladesh vibe to it. Look at it. People everywhere. Anyway, let's see what I can find. I already had some pani puri with these guys. It was really quite good. But I feel like... Anyway, I'm going to have a look around, see what we can find. And my favourite part of India, having a chai first thing in the morning. We're heading for New Delhi today. It's about 18 hours, so it'll take me 3 or 4 days. But we will get there. Well, welcome back to India, everyone. This seems like a pretty good spot to finish the video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.